Hey guys, it's Mike from Love to Wander, doing a quick little review on the Trekology aluft comfort pillow. It's folded up. It's in this 2 by 5 inch little bag, which is nice, small, very light. Only weighs 2.3 ounces, which is nice, which is I think 78 grams for you gram people out there. This is what it looks like fully inflated. It takes 3 to 5 breaths. I've had this one almost 2 years. I've never had any problems with it. It comes in, I think, 6 colors. It's been a nice pillow. I'm gonna keep going. I actually 2 of them. But it's been a good pillow. I think you guys should check it out. Go to their website and check them out. Trekology.